Welcome everyone to another show. Tonight we have some WWE superstars who are going to play Tumbling Monkeys game. To determine the first person to start the game, we will use this pen by rotating it. And let's see who is gonna be. And that's Tommaso Ciampa. He is walking towards this giant structure filled with monkeys at the top. Let's see which color he's gonna have. A green. That's green. He will have to pull out the green stick. That's very high. How is he gonna reach that? Yeah, Ciampa, you're right. We need a ladder. That's too high. Even the Big Show couldn't reach it. There goes the backstage area. Ciampa now setting up the ladder and he's climbing. Tommaso for the first one. Well, usually that's safe at that time of the game. Not very complicated, and he got it. He got the green stick with no monkeys. Oh, what is he doing? Calm down, Ciampa. And look at the face of Finn Balor. He's smiling. Who's gonna be next? And that's Solo Sikoa. And a pink one for Solo. That's too high too for him. He has to climb the ladder, and he's climbing now. That should be pretty easy too. And he's got it. He's taking it all. The next person is Randy Orton. Oh my god, what a pop for the Viper. So Finn is going to be the last for this first round. A pink one for Randy, just like Solo. Randy setting up the ladder. Quick reminder that Randy Orton is nearly 300 pounds. This guy is jacked. Oh, careful, Randy. That was close, but he got it too. And finally, it is now time for Finn Balor. An orange one for Finn. That's all that's left anyway, so... And he got it too. Yeah, okay. And Solo just taking off his hat. And there goes Ciampa for the round 2. Slow and steady. What is he looking at? Oh! That's Solo Sikoa shaking the tree to make the monkeys fall. That's cheating. Tommaso Ciampa saw this. And he is coming toward Solo. He is very angry. It doesn't look good for Solo. Oh my, Ciampa just pushed brutally Solo. There goes Randy trying to calm down Ciampa. Wait, what? Where did Solo go? He was laying down just there. Oh, wait a minute. Solo with the Samoan spike to Randy Orton. What are you doing, Solo? He is getting massive boos. Oh my, Finn Balor with a chair. And a chair shot to the back of Solo. And Finn is checking on Randy. How is it possible? He just got hit by a chair and he's already standing, but he's in agony. Oh wait, no way. Ciampa, don't do that. No, oh my. And Finn Balor hitting Solo with the sticks. RKO out of nowhere. Just listen to this crowd. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we gotta stop here. See you next time.